Right here is where the lifter would go, so you just basically drop it right in there. That's what it looks like when it's in there. You got to make sure that these are up. Do you see how on like this one over here, how it's to the side? If you were to try to use the tool here, it'll actually, this will prevent you from being able to take this off. So you won't be able to remove this one or this one right now because that thing is in the way. You can remove this one because it's up, same with this one. So that's basically how you know which ones you can do with the springs, and then they're really easy to remove. You just depress it like I was showing you earlier. In order to get these to move in the vertical position is when you go to the side of the vehicle. On the driver's side, there is a port. It's right here. And you can see in there, there's a hole in there, and that's where you crank. You put a 1/2 inch drive in there, and you just turn it with a 1/2 inch drive. Just a couple turns until you get that thing to be, until that thing right there is vertical like that is. And then you can access those ones. That's how you do it